Okay, another unboxing video. So, got this in the mail today, and let's see what it is, shall we? I guess you already know by the title and the thumbnail, but ooh, this is exciting for me. Okay, so that right there. Just plain, simple, brown box. It says Smartwatch. Ooh. Oh. Everything's falling out. Okay, so stuff that fell out was, I guess this is an instruction manual. Can't read this at all because it's not in English. Or is there? Oh, there we go. Smartwatch phone user guide. Very, very small printing. Okay, cool. All right, so put that over there. And what is this? This is more. Please check here to know more about how to set up your DZ09 smartwatch. Please press 3 to 5 seconds on the power button to turn on the smartwatch. Please charge the smartwatch a full night before using it. If you cannot turn on the watch, please try to check the video and follow the steps to set up. And there's a link for a video. Maybe the smartwatch will ask you the password, and the original code is blah blah blah, as our user manual wrote. About the SIM card. SIM card is your phone card, which is in your watch. Used to make calls. Package includes smartwatch, user manual, charge cable. SIM cards are made in blah blah blah. Huh, okay, interesting. So let's see. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, it comes with a USB cord. Wow, I've got so many of these. Now, the watch is in a nice protective case. I like that. Well, not case, but wrapping. So it's protected. And I guess it just slips out like that. And there it is. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. And there's a protective film, which I'll take off. There we go. Ooh. I like that. Oh, it fits really nice too. Okay. Oh. Turned on. Okay, it's obviously not 2:44 a.m. But that is cool. Okay. Okay, cool. Oh, it's got a camera. Please insert memory card. Oh, okay. Oh well. Okay, and got a pedometer, browser, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. Nice. I like that. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. That is all stuff that I could probably use. Alright, let's power this off. Oh look, there's me. Okay, I like it. I like it. It's really cool. So I'm gonna put it on and see if it... crap. Oh, this is so annoying. Oops. Wow, they make the strap really long. Okay. And then I guess... Okay, it fits really good too. Alright, that looks nice. That looks good on me. Now, I know it's not fully on there, but that looks alright. It's a little big, but I'll get used to it. It's loose because it's not fully on there, but yeah, I'll get used to wearing that. There's the camera right there, and it's got a little microphone, so that's pretty neat. I like that. I don't know how much I'll be using the camera on it, but who knows? I mean, if I can somehow incorporate it with my vlogs, then I'll do that for sure. Oh, come on, it's not coming off. There we go. Okay, now it's got a spot for a SIM card. Or no, that's the USB port to charge it. I think the back comes off or opens up. Yeah. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, there's a battery. Yeah, there's a battery right there. There's a spot for a SIM card right there. But I don't have that. And it looks like there's a spot here for a memory card. Not sure. But yeah, I'll have to look at the instructions and stuff and find out all of that. But that right there is for the SIM card. I know that, which I don't have because my phone doesn't have a SIM card. Oh wait, yeah, maybe it does. Yeah, I'll figure something out. I will figure it out and get it all worked out and everything. But yeah, so that is my new smartwatch. Yay! And I will end the video because this is not something you want to sit here and watch me do. But yeah, I'll figure it all out, and maybe in an upcoming vlog or whatever, I'll let you know how it's working and how I like it. But so far, based on the way it looks and everything, I like it. I think it's cool. So there we go. That is my new smartwatch. Yay! Okay. There you have it. Another unboxing video from me to you. Jurassic Park. Roar. Yeah.